fellow travelers. I'm here at the Holiday Inn, the New. It's an IHG yet again. I'm going to take you into room 423. Let's just go ahead and come in here. All right. And yet again, you have to turn on the lights by using the card. And it's very similar to the last room, only they have a different theme. And I think it's a little bit nicer, I'd say. But here is the bathroom. It's very small, first of all. But they have a lion theme, which I think is really pretty. It's very nice. Yes, those are my towels on the floor. Yes, I actually used this hotel. These cups are ridiculous. Redundant. I didn't like that. There wasn't any counter space hardly at all. A few towels. The toilet sensor right here. I mean, it's great in the daytime. I guess I should just lift this up. It's great to flush the commode, and it works really well. But the only thing is that at night you've got a hell of a night light. I mean, to the point where it's like the sun. It's so bright. So let me just turn off the light so you can see what I mean. I mean, that is a hell of a night light. I'm not digging it. I didn't like it. We had to use stickers and a piece of paper to cover it up to kind of, dim it down a little bit. The shower is the same from the last IHG I knew. I think that was in Frankfurt. But anyway, the water, it's really strange because both hotels, the water pressure is weird. Like when you want to make it hot, it kind of goes cold and then it goes warm and then it goes cold and it goes a little warmer and then it goes cold. I mean, it's this fluctuation. It's very strange. Also, another thing that happened was the water just came on. There's a sensor here, which is kind of like a public bathroom. I didn't really dig that either, but right before bed last night, this came on and it did not shut off. And then it shut off and then the water didn't work anymore. But now it's working. Very odd, too much technology for a hotel, in my opinion. I know they're trying to make it look nice, and it does look nice, but the technology, maybe not so much. This is the kitchen area. The microwave is really nice. Okay. It's really hard to understand how to use the microwave, unless, of course, you're German, I guess. But I'm not that tall. And I mean, if you can see, my head is here and the microwave is up here. And so it was really, really difficult to use. My partner had to use it because I couldn't. But it is handy to have the microwave, very much so. Also, again, there's lots of, oh, look, there's a tray, but there's no utensils. We actually took these from downstairs so we could use some utensils. And what I did notice was there was a very dirty fork, or they stuck it in the dishwasher and didn't clean it. And so there was food caked up on the fork. Gross, right? And then, okay, so let me just go and show you the refrigerator is standard. It's pretty nice to have that. You can put some stuff in there. And then in here, oh, look, there's no trash can. Last time there was a trash can. Now we just have plumbing and more storage. Okay, so this is our trash. Storage is actually pretty good. We used every single bit of the storage this time. I don't know why, because last time we didn't. We had all the storage and we didn't know what to do with it, but I guess my partner unpacked his stuff this time. So anyway, so come over here. You got your standard safe, which may or may not be safe. I don't know. The TV, okay, and if you have a Windows device, okay, or an Android, you can cast through, do the mirroring through the TV or whatever, and you can actually watch whatever. But if you have an Apple device, sorry guys, it's just not going to happen. It's just not going to happen for you. So, it's a little discriminative, but what are you going to do? Anyway, so another thing I wanted to show you real quick. This was I can't even believe it. Okay. I'm like, oh, wow, a blow dryer again. Okay. So when I take this out, I'm like, oh, this is really cool. You know, they have the attachment and it works, right? But what happened is it just popped out like that. And I was like, uh-oh. I told Mark, my partner, I was like, if I get electrocuted, well, that's just what's going to be. You're going to get a lot of insurance money because, you know, it was scary, but I needed to use it. So, but anyway, this is the second time this has happened. They just kind of keep it there with duct tape. There's duct tape here. I don't know if you can see that, but that's just not acceptable at all. Look at that. Anyway, so here is your little area where you can do web work or eat something. I don't know. It's very tiny, but it works. And then, yes, it says roar. That's funny. Something we did notice, which I feel really stupid about, just before we started filming this, we're like, what is this? And we figured it out that the blinds, there's blinds on the outside. Look at that. So that makes it, I guess, completely blackout curtains if you wanted it to be, which I don't want to do that right now, but it goes all the way down. And then we have this area. Oh, it's still going. It's kind of a cool little, yeah, isn't that nice? If that apartment complex wasn't there, it'd be really pretty. But I actually really, really do like this room. It's peaceful, it's quiet, and it has some pretty large windows. See over here? It's like almost like you're on a balcony. Anyway, so, and there's two side tables, and this is really fun, I guess. Some decor, a line. Rawr. And then the last thing that I would say that I don't understand why hotels do this, but this right here, this isn't getting washed. You know, they're just going to take this off. They're going to make the beds and they're going to put the same decor, whatever, on top. I don't like that. Plus, they have these pillows over here. You can't clean these. There's no pillowcase. Well, I guess there is, but they're not cleaning these. There's no way. And so that's filthy too. If there's bed bugs, you're in trouble, right? And these are nice. They're nice and fluffy, you know. They're nice to, you know, use as a side pillow for your legs or whatever, but I wouldn't necessarily want to sleep on a pillow like this for my head. I wouldn't have any support whatsoever. I bring my own neck pillow. This one's neat. This is nice for, like, you know, sitting up and watching TV. You know, the beds was, you know, pretty comfortable, I would say. One thing I will say, though, is the sheet is kind of dirty. And then when I lifted up this part, this is what really got me. And I have to ask them for another sheet. But look, there's like blood. It's just, I think this is a pillow topper. But the only reason I looked was because I was trying to, like, get the sheet loose because I don't like my feet to be really tight when I'm sleeping. You know, too snug is not good for me. So, but anyway, so that's pretty much it. There's lots of mirror space, not mirror space, but, you know, mirrors to look at yourself. And they do have a breakfast buffet bar downstairs. And since we are platinum members or whatever, we get it for free. So I'm going to show you that too. It's pretty decent, I'd say. The coffee's very strong. I'm feeling very crazy right now, and I've only had 2 cappuccinos. So if I sound weird, well, yeah. Anyway, so come on, and I'll show you. I must have to be really tall.